In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the exact cell or range where you want the drop-down menu to appear. This selection matters because the drop-down will only apply to the cells you highlight now. If you already know you'll need the drop-down in multiple cells, select the entire range up front to save time later. Next, head to the top toolbar and click the Data menu, then choose Data Validation. This opens a panel where you'll set up the drop-down rules that control what users can select. In the panel, look for the Criteria section and choose Drop-down as the type. This tells Sheets that you want a list of predefined choices instead of allowing any free text. Using a drop-down here helps ensure consistent data entry and prevents typos. Now decide how you want to supply the options. If your list is short and simple, you can type the items directly. Enter each option clearly and consistently, separating them with commas. Try to keep capitalization and spelling uniform so your data stays clean. If you already have the options typed in a column somewhere in your sheet, select from a range and then highlight that range. Using a range is a great choice when the list might change over time, because the drop-down will automatically reflect updates to that range. Before you finish, customize the display style to match how you want the drop-down to look. You can use chip formatting, which shows selected values as neat, colored labels that are easy to spot at a glance, or choose an arrow-only style to keep the cell appearance minimal and closer to a standard spreadsheet look. Pick the style that best fits your sheet's design and readability needs. When everything looks right, click Done. Now it's time to test. Click one of the cells you configured and open the drop-down arrow to make sure the options appear exactly as intended. Try selecting a few items to confirm that they display properly and that the formatting looks good. If anything seems off, perhaps an option is misspelled or missing, simply return to Data Validation and adjust your list or range until it's perfect. That's all there is to it. You've created a clean, reliable drop-down menu in Google Sheets that helps standardize inputs and makes your spreadsheet easier to use.